The speed of the M18 Fuel Hog was definitely faster. It made everything a lot easier.
I can definitely do my job faster with this tool. It was going through multiple studs faster.
The tool is really balanced. It's not too heavy, and for the power that it puts out, it definitely is way better than having anything corded. Not being too heavy definitely helps you being able to hold it above your head for longer periods of time. I can drill all day long and barely feel anything at the end of the day.
Well, I ran the whole hog for about 8 hours straight, had no issues. The gun didn't overheat at all. It ran flawlessly. I would definitely recommend this tool for the fact that it's way faster than the first gen. It takes less power to get your holes done and less fatigue.